So first, you will do an outline of your chosen quote. For me, I chose escape reality. So as you can see here, I'm just doing a faux calligraphy. Escape reality. And I'm using a Staedtler 4H pencil so that it's not very thick. The next, you will create a straight line in the middle of the word. So, as you can see there, I aligned it so that it will just rest below the E, or like that line for the E. And the next is for the faux calligraphy, the above portion of the line. As you can see, I am doing the faux calligraphy or the shadow of the faux calligraphy to the right, while in the lower portion of the line I'm doing the faux calligraphy or its shadow to the left. So this will create an effect as if it is glitching. So in order to be safe, you need to do it with a pencil before proceeding. So I'm just finalizing some touches. Okay, now we will do the outlining. So I'm using a black Sharpie for the main color or the main portion of the coat. Okay, so of course you will follow your outline, the pencil outline, wherein at the top part the shadow of the faux calligraphy is at the right, and at the bottom the shadow of the faux calligraphy is directed to the left. So you will repeat that for all the letters, and just be careful not to mess up. Okay, so once you're done, you will have to fill in the outline, like what I am doing right now. So once you're done, filling in the outline, you will now move on to doing colors of the shadow. So I'm using the pink Sharpie. Now I will do the outer shadow. Okay, so as you can see, I'm only doing a shadow at the outer portion. So here's a close-up. So you can see that I'm not filling in the shadows of the inner portion of the letters, only the outer portion. Then once you're done, you will choose another color. For me, I chose the light blue Sharpie because I think it matches really well with the light pink. And with that, I'm going to do the inner shadows. But it is still as though the light is coming from, or the light is coming from the left portion. So you can see and after you finish, you will choose a third color. So I chose the purple, though it doesn't really appear purple, the purple Sharpie. And you will outline it outside the pink, or it is like a secondary shadow. So you will do this with both letters. And after that, you will now create a bunch of like glitches, like just some boxes of different colors. So here I'm adding the pink glitches. You can just do random boxes, random rectangles, squares, or even lines, and then you will also do the same with the light blue color. Again with the random shapes, or with random rectangles, squares, lines, and also the purple color. You will do the same again with just random shapes and lines and Here's a close-up look where I added the final touches with the black Sharpie. I think this one made it more glitch-like. Okay. So after that, that's your finished product. So that's it for the glitch calligraphy. I hope you learned, and thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.